And says, what's up with you?
I had a deteriorated back, neck here. The doctor found out. They did some x-ray and it shakes me.
Was it chiropractic or something, or just a doctor? Or?
They took me for some x-ray and then they found out on the back.
So is it painful right now to move it?
Yeah, it cracks all the time.
Or cracks all the time?
And it shakes my hands and my head.
And you have pain in your neck as well?
Yeah, I do.
Just can we pray that she's got cracking and pain? And how long has it been there for?
Oh, I don't know, so
How many years?
I'd say about 2 years.
2 years. Church, can we stir our faith up? Let's be God for this woman. I'm going to pray for you. Just relax. Right now, Lord, we ask for a miracle for her neck. No more cracking. Okay, move your neck now. Just move your neck around. How's that? Much better. Has the cracking stopped?
It's cracking still
A little bit. And how's the pain? Has the pain gone? It's improved. Can we pray again? Oh!
Frees her hands
Guy
to
heal the
shake.
nerve too for her hands, Jesus.
And her head.
I heal the nerves that go right down the hands.
No shake.
Right? You can help this young fella right now.
Getting it.
Okay, leave your neck now. Put it around. How's that? Much better. Has the cracking gone?
Just cracked before down when I was lying down.
Has it gone now? You do it?
It's gone now.
It's gone now. Give it a hand. And so, how long was the cracking there for?
It's cracking every night.
For years.
For a year.
4 years?
For 2 years.
2 years. 2 years. Every time I sit on the couch, I was in pain.
And the pain's gone now. That's amazing.
Through you, I can do anything. I can do all things. 'Cause it's you who gives me strength. Nothing is impossible.